How on earth did you get down here, Eddie? What do you think of that one, Eddie? It's a classic. The lesser-known king of smooth jazz. Poor taste in music. Subject shows no improvement. It is therefore my opinion that nothing more can be done with the treatments available. Therefore, I request... I strongly suggest best course of action to send a relief team to assess further usage. What's up, Eddie? What have I told you, Eddie? This is not for you. This belongs to me. This is special. Night, Eddie. Jesus Christ, Eddie! Get the shit out of me! Oh, how did you get... What's all this? What have I said about other people's things? Oh. Eddie, other people's things! How many people have been stuck down here with you, Eddie?
This is Dr. Don Flinton, personal log, tape number 114. Subject, Eddie, shows few signs of progress. Response to stimuli is minimal, and my belief is that the subject is in fact deteriorating in condition. Whilst hemorrhaging and tissue decay appear stabilized, basic motor skills manifest only
I've decided I don't care about you, Eddie. I don't care how long you've been here or why. I don't care if you're getting better or worse. I care about why I'm here, about how long I've been in this place. I would rather be in prison. Anywhere. If you would just speak to me, just show me a sign, anything. Do you even know that I'm still here? Is there even a point? What happened to the other guy that was here? Did he work out? What happened to you? Is that it? Is that it? What happened to you? Eat. Get better. Heal thyself. Come on. Come on. The pen. The pen. It's the pen, huh? Get it yourself! I'm sorry, Eddie. I didn't really want to have to do that. It was an accident.
Ah, you must be Eddie.